Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be making mushroom quiche and with veggies. Actually, the only veggie would be the onions and the zucchini. And you'll need minced garlic, oregano and parsley, dry, olive oil, 4 eggs, pepper, black pepper and salt, and a cup of milk. And this is all you'll be needing. I hope you stay tuned. Hello, today I'll be making mushroom quiche with veggies. And I added olive oil, now the minced onions, which I had 2 small onions in there. We're going to saute these for 3 minutes or so until they're sauteed. And now I'm going to be adding the minced garlic. It's like 4 or 5 garlic cloves. And we have to saute these for a little bit, like 3 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes. Now I'm going to be adding the diced zucchini. So we're going to saute them for like 5 minutes. We're adding a little bit of salt, pepper, black pepper, oregano, and parsley, dry parsley. So now we're adding the pan. Now we're going to add the mushrooms and saute them for 5 minutes, even less. A little bit of salt, pepper, and oregano and parsley. I usually prefer fresh ones. Today I'm going to be using dry ones. And now we're just going to whisk the eggs together with milk, some salt and pepper to pour on our quiche. And pepper, salt, the mushrooms into the pot and spread it evenly. Now I'm going to add the bocconcini because I like them so much. And now we're going to add the eggs and the milk. So I'm going to put the pan in the oven, and this will be baked for 20 minutes, but halfway there, we're going to add the Parmesan cheese on top and then bake it for 10 minutes. So there you go. Oven at 180. And now we're going to be adding the Parmigiano cheese everywhere evenly. used my hands right there. And now it's ready. Oh, this looks, the smell of it is insane. So good. Can't wait to eat it. So I hope you guys try this recipe. It's delicious and it's super simple.